As an employer brand professional, there is one habit that if you adopted it right now, would make you appear more credible and more valuable, not to recruiters, not to marketers, but to business leaders. Want to know what it is? I would imagine you do. But before we get to that, make sure if you're watching this on YouTube, you subscribe to this channel. Keep these videos coming. I'd love to keep making these videos to give you tips and tricks on how to make you a more effective employer brand manager. Okay? What's that habit? Well, turns out it's metrics. Hold on, come back. It's not so much the metrics. It's that you choose what metrics to report and that you publicly publish those reports on a regular basis. Here's the thing. We've been doing Employer Brander for a while now. There's still no set metrics that we know matter. Everybody has a different perception about what metrics matter. Why? Because people are doing employer brand to serve different purposes. If it's to attract more people, then your metrics are all about attraction and awareness. If it's to hire better talent, then your metrics have to be about who you're hiring and are they better and better qualified than who you would hire otherwise. There's a lot of different things you could measure, and that's a problem because it means your business leaders don't know how to value you and what you do. So the answer is to tell them. Now, you don't just stand up on stage and tell them. What you do is you build monthly reports on the metrics that you think are the most important, that align to your talent strategy, that align to your marketing strategy. And you've worked out these strategies with talent acquisition and with marketing to make sure it's not in a silo, that it matters and ties to your business goals, your business objectives. And once a month, you're going to collect all your data from wherever you collect your data. You're going to put a little report, a little spreadsheet, or infographic it. I don't care. It doesn't matter. But put it in a clear report that says, this is what we're measuring because this is what it matters and how it connects to the larger business strategy. Complete that report, turn it into a PDF, and email it to every leader in your business every single month. I don't care if they didn't ask for it. Share it. Send it. Send it to your boss, send it to their boss's boss, send it to their boss's boss's boss. Make sure business sees what you're doing and how you impact things that they care about, which is the business objectives. As soon as you start self-reporting these metrics, people will see you differently. People will treat you differently. You're not just some marketer who works with recruiters, and that's the most pejorative way I can think to say that, which is unfortunate, but instead, you are furthering the business's goals. You understand what their worries are. You understand what they're trying to achieve. You're not just filling fluff up. You're not just filling Instagram channels with pretty pictures. You're not just puffing up a Glassdoor score. You're doing things that matter to them. And by showing how what you do connects to them, they will treat you better. And that's what you want. Thanks so much for listening. I'll see you next time on Employer Brand Minute.